Hello, good morning and welcome to Cube Kitchens, Balbriggan. This is episode 3 of our video blog for the Western Project. This morning we are meeting Des Ward from Cube.
Good morning, Chris.
How are you?
Welcome to Cube.
Thank you. And we're going to do a showroom tour. So this is used as opposed to the traditional hood, is it?
Yeah, again, people want more bespoke options nowadays, and they don't want any visual aspects within when they're in the more social aspect of the living space. So we have a downward extractor which actually sucks the air downwards. Which actually is very, very efficient. Would be more efficient than your standard ceiling mounted extractor.
And we have down here so this wood effect. Is this a natural wood or is it a laminate?
No, so this is an engineered laminate.
Okay.
It's 100mm in thickness. So it's great to do raised level breakfast bars. You can see here we've done off standard high doors, which is basically a tall unit stacked and allowing this lovely feature here for our glass sliding unit with the integrated LED light.
Very good.
Which is on a soft plunge runner. We would suggest in the design as it brings that warm feeling into the room and sets very well against our shelving unit here in the walnut royal finish. So this is what we call Decton. Okay, it's a relatively new product to the market. It's about 3 to 5 years old within the kitchen industry. Its main benefits for the end user would be like its durability. It's also heat resistant. Great for any sort of family social event. Kids are doing the likes of their homework even.
Yeah.
If you're doing baking, cooking, the scratch resistancy of it.
Very good.
It's brilliant. It gives the client, I suppose, the peace of mind that you can do whatever you want on it.
Yeah, it's great for families then, isn't it?
It's brilliant. It's brilliant. So granted, it's not the cheapest product in comparison to other work surfaces, but it's absolutely worth the money.
This is obviously a typical galley kitchen.
Yeah, so we have our island here. We have our long drawer units here with the hob and extractor exposed. With our full backsplash in Decton again, some cook-up cabinets done in a light grey sand. It's called gloss finish. LED light within the island, and we have our groove flutes.
Very good.
The zone.
Built in, yeah.
Again, it's in a scenario where we have a small compact room. We don't have the facility to have full dining table and chairs. We actually can integrate that into the dining space along with the cooking facility of the downdraft extractor here. So here's our Artwood range from the Cube range. These are engineered veneered doors. Here we're seeing 6. The walnut cube here is reflected in this kitchen setup where we have the worktop and the raise and the drop down section for the dining area. And you can see in our surround and backsplash here behind you as well. So when someone comes in from the showroom into the showroom, we'll sit down and have a general conversation about what they want to achieve in their kitchen space. That could be a new kitchen, or it could be a new build, it could be an extension, it could be simply just replacing the kitchen they have. We have a qualification process to go through with the client. So we talk initially about what they want to achieve from a wish list point of view. They may want specific elements within their kitchen, let's say a full fridge and a full freezer, just as an example. They may not have a dishwasher, they may want stone worktops, they may want a blue door.
Do they typically come in with their own drawings or plans? If they come through us, I understand they will have some general layout, but let's say...
Someone come from the likes of yourself, Chris, through the likes of Plantech or Newhouse, they would have definitely their tender drawings with them if they haven't gone and signed off on the project yourself. So we're at that initial stage working with you guys together.
Is the Cube package inclusive of a 3D design?
It is. So initial consultation and then the first presentation, which is done after the initial consultation. So we would meet someone in the showroom. We don't present initial drawings like this on the first day that we meet people. We do spend and invest quite a bit of time into presenting something like this. So we ask the client to come back in more than likely a week, if not 2 weeks later.
So we're here, Des, at the main warehouse, which is quite huge.
Yeah, so a considerable warehouse here we have at Cube. It's one of 2 actually. So here we would store anywhere between 600 and 700 kitchens any given day. So when the kitchen arrives from Germany on the truck, it comes in at the loading bay here, it's stored in a particular cage, and it's given a specific reference number for every individual client.
So what about Western Drive, Des? Western Drive Kitchen, is that ready for dispatch?
It is indeed, Chris. So it's just here beside us. So this kitchen is now ready for dispatch. It arrived in from Germany about a week ago. And between our own customer service department and yourselves over in Plantech and Newhouse, we'll liaise together to organise its installation and delivery within the next coming couple of weeks.
Great, look forward to that. So thanks very much for your time today, Des.
More than welcome, Chris.
And we'll see you soon in the next episode. We'll catch up on episode 4, installation and progress on site. Thank you for watching.